Hello folks and welcome to Practical Ninjas. Let us start our video today looking at the setup shown here. The setup consists of two machines connected by a conveyor system. Bottles exit the first machine and enter the second machine as seen here. Automation for the conveyor system needs to be implemented. If any of the two machines stops due to any reason, the alarm should go high and conveyor belt should also stop. We will be trying to implement this logic using PLC in this video. So, stay tuned until the end of the video to understand how to implement this logic. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss any updates. Without further ado, let's get going. The question for this case is quite clear. We have two inputs, each from the machine, telling us if the machine has stopped or not. There are two outputs to be controlled in this case. The one is alarm and the other is the conveyor motor. The alarm has to go high if any of the machines stop. This can be implemented as a OR Boolean logic. If any input goes high, output goes high. So basically, we need to implement OR logic in PLC ladder programming. In the previous video, we had implemented AND logic. To implement OR logic, two inputs will be connected in parallel in a single rung of the ladder as shown here. We are using NO contacts of the inputs in question. At the output of this rung, we will be connecting the alarm. Let us visualize what happens when any of these machines stop. The NO contacts turn NC even if any input gets activated. This completes the rung and the alarm goes high. Thus, we have implemented the first part of the question and also understood how to implement OR logic. The second part of the question wants us to stop the conveyor when the alarm goes high. This can be implemented as a Boolean NOT logic. To implement this, we will be using the NC contact of alarm as input and the conveyor motor as output. Thus, when the alarm goes high, NC contact turns to NO and cuts off supply to the motor. This stops the conveyor system. In this manner, we have implemented and solved for the second part of the question and also learned how to implement NOT Boolean logic in PLC. Hope you have enjoyed this video and learned something new today. We would like to hear from you. Please comment below and share the video with your peers and friends. Until next time, stay calm and keep learning. Peace out.